Hi guys, welcome back. I've got a really simple, delicious lemonade recipe today. Also, stay tuned to the end. I'm announcing the winner of my recent Harry Potter giveaway. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing a really simple summer recipe for you today. I'm doing easy lemonade, homemade, and I'm doing vanilla lemonade. It is super, super delicious. If you've never tried vanilla in your lemonade before, you should totally check it out. It adds something special. Your guests will be drinking it and saying, what did you put in this? But it doesn't make it any more complicated to make. I'm doing a super simple syrup to make this lemonade. It's really easy. It comes together quickly. It's like 4 ingredients. Let's get started. All right, to start, I've got a cup of water here in this saucepan. I've got it on a low heat, and I'm adding in a cup of just plain sugar, and I'm gonna let this simmer low for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's all incorporated and it gets a little sticky. You're making a syrup. You'll totally be able to tell when it's done. It's all combined. And then I've got about 1 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm adding that into my jug here. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. This will make about 8 glasses of lemonade, so alter depending on how much lemonade you want, but this is a pretty generous size recipe. And then I'm just pouring in that syrup that I made. Let it cool down a little bit. Don't let it be too bubbly hot, but just combine that all together and then add the secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Use whatever vanilla you have and you like. And then I'm gonna throw in some sliced lemons to make it look pretty and give it a nice stir, and then it's ready to serve up. I think this tastes best served over some cubes of ice. We're drinking this in the summer. We're all hot and trying to cool off. So a nice chilled glass with some ice, a straw, maybe a little lemon for garnish. This would be great with some mint leaves. If you had that, it would add a pretty touch of color as well. This would be great for a summer barbecue, any type of party, anything you're doing outdoors. This is great for kids, people of all ages. I hope you guys try this. Let me know in the comments below what drinks you're making this summer. I'd love to get some new ideas as well. And as promised, I am announcing the winner of my giveaway. I did a Harry Potter giveaway and I just put in my link here, and I got a random comment to choose as the winner, and it's Erica Moulton. I hope I'm saying her last name right. I'm gonna get in touch with her. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.